Good morning. I wish you all a lovely and wonderful morning. I am Nancy ma'am, and today we shall revise before numbers 51 to 100. So kids, in our previous session, we had done exercise in our classwork book before numbers 51 to 60 and 61 to 70. Today, we have two more pages in the same book. That is 71 to 80 and 81 to 90. Let's start our today's session with a prayer song. So children, join your hands, close your eyes.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति.
Let's start our today's session.
In your classwork book, open page 47. We shall do today before numbers 71 to 80. The first number is 7373. What comes before 73? Right, 72, 72. Next, 7676. What comes before 76? 75, 75. Now, since you know, you all can do it very fast. Very good. 74, 74. So, before that would be 73, 73. Okay, next number is 8080. So, what should come before 80? Right, 79, 79. Next, we have 75, 75. So, before 75 would be 74, 74. Next number is 72, 72. So kids, guess before 72 would be? Yes, 71, 71. Next, 77, 77. So before 77 we have 76, 76. This one is 78, 78. And before 78 we should write 77, 77. In the same book, kids, once again, open page number 51 before numbers 81 to 90. The first number is 8686. So before 86 we have 8585. Next, 8383. Before 83, 8282. Next, 84, 84. So what should come before 84? 83, 83. Next, 88, 88. Before 88 we have 87, 87. Next, 90, 90. Before 90 we shall write 89, 89. Next, 82, 82. Before 82 what shall come, kids? Right, 81, 81. Next, 87, 87. Before 87 we shall write 86, 86. Next, 85, 85. So before 85 we would be writing, yes, 84, 84.
Kids, let's do an activity.
In this activity, we need a chart paper and cutouts of different shapes for the numbers. I have taken square, circle and triangle shape. Children, can you see the different numbers written on these shapes? Right. So, in this activity, we will be taking each set of numbers and picking up one number from this bunch like this. So, the first number that we selected is, shake a bit, and the first number is 53. So, we place it over here and now search before 53 which number comes. That is 52. 52, 52, and before 52 we have, search from this bunch, 51, 51. Right. So can you see this? Similar way, take the next bunch of 60s. So first number we select is 65, 65. So we place it over here and search before number 65 comes 64, 64, 64, and next we have 63, 63, and let's move on before 63, 62, 62, and 61, 61. Now the next bunch of 70. So we shall pick a number from the bunch, that is, we have 77, 77, 77. Which number comes before 77? 76, 76. Then we have 75, 75. Next 74, 74. 73, 73, 72, 72, and next would be 71, 71. Can you see this? Now we'll just take the last bunch of 90s. From the bunch we'll pick one number. Let's shake it first. The number would be 94, 94. So let's search before 94 what number comes. Kids, guess. Yes, 93, 93. Then we have 92. And the next number is 91, 91. So we have placed all the shapes. Can you see this? Right. So let's repeat. 53, 52, 51. Next, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Next, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Next, 94, 93, 92, 91. So children, in the similar way, you can take cutouts of more numbers and try doing this activity.
So kids, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Do revise and practice writing. See you in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.